This is my take on the Bitcoin market today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video, welcome to the Bitcoin family channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi. I need to state very clearly, I am not a financial advisor. Everything that I use in this video is no financial advice. It's my sole opinion, how I interpret the market. It's no financial advice, no financial advice, no financial advice. Don't take this as financial advice. It's just my opinion on the Bitcoin market. It's no financial advice. I hope I said it enough times now. It is not a financial advice. There is a disclaimer down below in the comments of the video. Check that disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I am just a long-haired dude living his freedom life in Thailand because he did some good investments in the past and he thinks he understands the market. Now, in today's video, I want to give you my take on the market because there is something that you really need to understand. As a lot of influencers, including myself, think that we can predict the top and think that we can predict the bottom. Again, I'm always saying I'm selling near the top and I'm buying back near the bottom. Dollar cost average in, dollar cost average out. But still, we have a personal target in a bull market. My target was around 160K. That was no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor at all. But we didn't reach that target yet, or maybe we won't even reach that target. And that is why I know that now the next 12 months, I will get a shitload of hate of all the people and all the comments, and they will start to hate me completely because I was wrong. Maybe I am wrong, maybe I'm not wrong, maybe it's gonna extend another year, maybe it's not gonna extend a year. I don't know, I'm not a financial advisor. The only thing I know that we never know the exact top, the exact bottom. Now, even if you would have been the most stupid investor and you have never followed me and you would have always bought the wrong moment, I'm going to show you what would have happened then. Bam. Just an update between I am not a financial advisor. I do not give any financial advice. This video is no financial advice, whatever. It is just my opinion. Check the comments down below where you can see and read what I have for a disclosure because I'm a long-haired dude living in Thailand, not a financial advisor. Because I always say that you need to zoom out and you need to look at a bigger picture. And I want to make clear how that would have worked in the previous couple of cycles. If we look at the weekly chart, and let's say we would have been the most retarded investors ever, that could happen, that we are really retarded, and we would have bought one Bitcoin here at the top, the most worst situation ever, we would have bought that one BTC for in total $322. And not ETC, please, let's buy BTC, okay? We would have bought exactly the top. That was the worst ever period to buy Bitcoin. And we did it. We were so stupid. Then we moved on to the next top and we again thought, oh, we're gonna go higher. And we bought that top as well. That top was 875. And then again, we got even more stupid. We got like really stupid. We went in 2017, we didn't believe anymore because we bought the top and we bought again the top. That top, most of you remember, 19,600. Let's make it 20K to make it more easy to calculate later. Yeah, you bought 20K. Because you bought on the wrong exchange, they even upped the price. Okay? So now we bought 3 times the top. And then, we again lost all the belief in Bitcoin, all of it. And then we were like, fuck that market, we're never gonna buy Bitcoin again. Then we see Bitcoin rising again, and rising again to another top. And we are like, nah, this time it's gonna really go to 100K, it's gonna go higher. Let's buy it now because we can make some more profit. This was a 65K top. I'm using round numbers. Maybe, and you should use this one also round. It's more easy in calculations. Yeah, 900. Oh, not 800, 900 was there. And this one was a 300 top. just to make it a little bit more simple. Now, by now, I would be owning 1, 2, 3, 4 Bitcoins. How much would I have been paying for those 4 Bitcoins? So you would be owning now 4 Bitcoins at bought in total for $86,200 US. And you have felt the worst investor ever now. By now you're like, I'm the most retarded person ever. I bought the top in 2013, I bought the top in 2014, I bought the top in 2017, I bought that top in 2021 as well. Please calculate how much profit you have. Let's say you're even way more stupid. Let's say you even bought this top. Let's say we even bought this top now, over there. 126K, 1, 2, 6,000, 126,000. By now, you would be owning 5 Bitcoins. In total, this plus 126,000. So by now, you bought 5 BTC, the 4 BTC for the 86, then 126,000 extra for another Bitcoin. So for now you would have been buying in total 212,000. Is that correct? 212,200 BTC dollar worth of Bitcoin. You really feel stupid because you are the worst investor ever. Now, how much are those 5 Bitcoins worth today? That's my question. Those 5 Bitcoins worth today, 5 BTC today. Just an update between, I am not a financial advisor. I do not give any financial advice. This video is no financial advice, whatever. It is just my opinion. Check the comments down below where you can see and read what I have for a disclosure, because I'm a long-haired dude living in Thailand, not a financial advisor. How much? This is around 470,000. So, again, to be very clear, we bought each and every top. We are the most stupid investor ever. We have a capital of 470,000 US dollar and we invested 212,000 US dollar. Do you understand what I'm trying to tell you guys? Even if you would have bought each and every top, you would still be in profit. We don't know if this is a top. So if we don't calculate this top yet, so without this area, then we would own now 4 Bitcoins. Oh, sorry. Then we would own today 4 Bitcoins. And we paid 86,200 for it in total. And those 4 Bitcoins would now be times 94,000 is around 376,000, something like this. So even then, you would have invested 86,000 and you would now have 376,000. I hope you understand what I mean. The story or the importance of this story is that even if you bought the tops, if you are patient as an investor and you hodl, in 4 years' time, we will be again higher. This will be more profit. So if you ask me, should I sell Bitcoin? Should I buy Bitcoin now? It all depends on what you think about your future. Do you think your future Bitcoin should be included and Bitcoin is going to make you more rich? Then you should be buying Bitcoin each and every day. Do you believe that Bitcoin is going to crash to zero in the far future, like 4 years or 8 years? Then stop buying Bitcoin. Start to sell all your Bitcoin because you don't believe in Bitcoin. For me, Bitcoin is the best asset in the world to store my capital. And yes, it's volatile, it's getting less volatile, but in the end, each and every 4 years later, I'm ending up higher and higher and higher, even if I would have bought the top. I didn't buy the top, I bought the bottom, I bought the bottom, I bought the bottom, near the bottom. Did I sell the perfect top? No, I sold around the top, around the top. This bull market, My top target was 160,000 US dollars. So I have been off with almost like 34,000 US dollar. That's a lot. But still we reached 126K. Is this already the end of the bull market? 70% of me tells me, yeah, this could be the end of the bull market. 30% is still hopeful on BlackRock's, other institutional investors buying. We could push it one more time. United States starts to print money again. Europe will start to print money again. Can we have one more push in November, December? I think there is a 30% chance we will. Just like 2017, the bull market ended in 2017, December. So for me, it's not over till it's completely over. To be very clear, if we would close a monthly candle down below the 12 monthly moving average, it is completely over. This candle, I'm going to show you one more time, is going to close in a couple of days. Let me pick that chart for you guys, 1 second. That is on this very, very, very busy chart, guys, but I'm going to show you one more time. This candle close, for me, is the most important one of this year. This monthly candle, this red one over there, this is the November candle. This one is going to close in 11 days and 21 hours. If we close down below that orange line, then please believe me, that is a full confirmation of a bear market. It has never happened before that a monthly candle closes down below the orange line and that we move up again. A wick, like here, that is possible. But a full candle close down below it, even here, there's a small little body below it, that was a start of the bear market. Over here, we kept support in 2017 until a candle closed down below it, start of a massive bear market. And that has been every time. When we kept support, it's okay. When we close down below it, start of a bear market. And that bear market will be a 30, 40, 50% crash. So for me, hopeful, another 30% chance of continuation of this bull market, but then this candle needs to close above that 100K level in 11 days and 21 hours. That's the only last hope. And if the 2-week RSI, stochastic RSI will cross and the 1 week will cross, then there is a possibility in the next 2 weeks we will close it above that orange line. But if that doesn't happen, that would be the last confirmation for me that the full bear market is started, and you will be able to buy back Bitcoin between 55K, 47 and 55K probably then. So it will go lower than the 60K that we predicted, because also the top was not as high. So that is my take on the market today. I hope that's completely clear. For all the people that are telling me, hey, you didn't guide us enough, you didn't tell me to take profits. I did tell to take profits. I told you all I'm taking profit at 110, I'm 15, 120, 125. I even made videos. Nobody ever got poor of taking profit. So yes, I am not out of the market fully yet. I only took profit at those levels. I was waiting for 130 as well, 140 as well, 150 as well, and even 160. So I didn't take profit yet on all my levels. But let's see. I am not a financial advisor. I do not give any financial advice. This video is no financial advice, whatever. It is just my opinion because I'm a long-haired dude living in Thailand, not a financial advisor. I'm adjusting now to the market. I'm accepting that the market could be different. And if that will be different, I will take profits on the levels that I think I should be taking profits before we go into a full-blown bear market. And then still, I think we did a pretty damn fine job, guys. I guided you from the bear market bottom, 16,000 US dollar. I told you to buy that. A lot of you were skeptic and told me, no, we go to 12K. I told you 16K is the bottom. I told you to buy more at 20K, at 30K, at 40K. Even people asked me to sell their house and buy at 50K. I told, yes, do it because you're going to double your capital. All of you have shitloads of profit. There's not as much as profit as we all expected to go to 160K, but still doubling or tripling or quadrupling your capital in 2 years, I think that's a very good investment. I will be accumulating USDT, I will be accumulating Bitcoins, and at the end, when the bear market ends, I'm gonna go full on in Bitcoin again with everything and all the profits I took. Even if it's just profits now at 94K, I don't care. If we drop to 50K, I will be buying back 2 times as much Bitcoins almost. So for me, profit is profit. Nobody ever got poor of taking profit. I hope you really enjoyed today's video, guys. If you did enjoy today's video and all my knowledge and my opinions that I shared as a non-financial advisor with a disclaimer down below in the video, I hope you still enjoyed it. And if you did learn something from it, let me know down below in the comments what you learned from that. So even if you would have invested in the wrong moments, you could still be in profit. So again, my apologies to all the people that I was completely off with my bull market target. And again, apologies that you all bought around 16,000 to 20,000 US dollar and that you're all able now to sell around 100,000 US dollar. Shit, my apologies. You only made X4 or X5 in profit. Oh man, it's a terrible, terrible situation. Yes, again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice. For those that are happy with that 4x, like from 20K to 80K, or 5x from 20K to 100K profit, congratulations with your happiness and your thankfulness and your profit. And let's go into that next cycle and see where we can make some more profits. Again, as not a financial advisor, I am just sharing my own opinion on the markets, the cycle, Bitcoin, lifestyle, and many other things. Thank you. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. What do you think about these charts? And what do you think about that opinion that I was sharing, my opinion, not as a financial advisor, on those markets and charts? Let me know down below.